what's going on, everybody? Today, we're basically going to pick up where the last video kind of left off, but we're going to try something a little different. Last time I just went to Google Trends and just showed how you could take a trending topic and make a video. After that, you'll have to go inside and edit the video, of course, just to make it better and to really get it to shape out the way you'd like it. But for this one, we're going to do, instead of doing trends, we're just going to take topics that people search for online. In this case, I just asked Chat GPT, can you please give me a list of things that would, profitable niches online that you can start posting about on social media. So for this, you would have to really, the best way to approach this, I think, would be if you were starting a brand new channel, do a brand new channel from scratch, and then choose something, do personal. You could probably mix a couple together. So this one, personal finance and investing, health and wellness, digital marketing. So if you'd like, you probably just bundle those three up, and just you could use that to create a channel and then just make videos off of that stuff. Beauty and skincare, you could just do that one separate. Crafts and hobbies, you can do that one separate by itself. Gaming, of course, you can do that separate, especially if you're gaming like on a regular basis. Just like I recently started gaming, doing a little bit of gaming stuff with commentary, but that's completely different. I post that stuff on well, I'll tell you guys later. I'm not ready to talk about that yet because, it's just completely different. On my YouTube, I want to do basically tutorials and to teach people how to do this stuff because, I've just been learning this stuff probably the past couple years. I have a Shopify store. I've done Etsy. I've done print on demand, and we're going to just keep talking about all that stuff on here. I don't think I'm actually, by the way, since I'm on this topic, I don't think I'm going to do crypto on this channel. I do have a separate channel that I was talking about crypto mostly, but basically, that didn't work out. But I think I'm just going to keep that channel and do crypto on that channel specifically. But on this one, I'm going to talk about design, web design, Midjourney, and videos and editing. I don't think I'm going to mix crypto into this one anymore. That's going to be a whole separate channel by itself. Because there's a lot that goes into that. Anyways, you can see there's a bunch of topics that you could choose from. There's so many niches. So it's best to pick something that you like. Also, another thing, my problem is I'm pretty sure I have ADD. So I pretty much have to do everything. You know what I mean? That's why I have a passive print on demand, an active print on demand, a Shopify store, which I had no idea, but Shopify is nothing like print on demand. I'll go more into detail in that in a separate video. I think I'm going to do a print on demand. What's the difference between passive and active print on demand, and what's the difference between print on demand and Shopify, because those are all completely different. Similar, but different. But anyways, I just wanted to throw all that out there. Okay, so in this one, okay, whatever. So let's just do personal finance and investing. So you would take, why is this profitable? People are always looking for ways to manage their money, save for the future. Okay, so whatever. Look, we take this, we copy it, right? Okay, cool. We take that, and then we'll say, why Chat GPT, write me content around personal finance and investing. I need it for a new project. Sorry. Struggling. Oops. Yeah. Okay, cool. Whatever. Okay, sick. So if you wanted to do something like for example here, you could just start a whole channel, and then say you wanted to do Twitter, and this automatically gives you bullet points. You could pretty much just take that. You could write it a few times, and if you want to copy it straight up. But here you have all this stuff. You could turn all this stuff into tweets if you like. But basically, we're gonna take this. Actually, we've the first one we copied. I don't know. Let's see what it comes up with. This is going to take a few minutes, so we're going to let it do its thing, and then after that it's going to ask me some questions, and we're going to answer them. Also, unless you change it, puts it in 16:9. Young adults, we'll say new investors, we'll say look and feel will be, I don't know, inspirational, and we'll do YouTube. We'll just do YouTube. Yeah, we'll do YouTube. Okay, if you do a YouTube, I believe it's going to automatically come out 16:9, and YouTube Shorts and Instagram are 9:16. 9:16, it fills up your entire phone, and yeah, 16:9 is the entire screen, YouTube screen. So you also have to keep that stuff in mind if you're ever doing a Midjourney one. One day soon, I'm going to make a Midjourney one, but a Midjourney one is going to be a lot more. I'm not going to say a whole lot more work, but it's not like this right here. You can just paste it and it automatically does it for you. In Midjourney, you're going to have to do each page separately, but the work comes out excellent. Especially if you put some effects on the stuff, it really comes out really good. We are going to do a Midjourney one. Honestly, that video will probably be an hour long, but we're going to do one of those soon. I'm going to probably use Midjourney and I don't know, maybe CapCut. I like CapCut for editing, but to put videos together, I use something completely different, which I will talk about in a later video. But yeah, it's still doing its thing. Give it a little more time. I don't edit, pretty much I just do everything live, so I can just show everybody. Almost done. Not really, 40%. But yeah, this should come out pretty cool. I do want to mess with another pic videos soon, because it comes out really good. I like pictory stuff too. Alright, we're going to lower the volume some because it's going to be really echoey if I don't. So we're going to let this play. I'm not going to talk over it, and this will give you a gist of what it came out with. Just the videos that it put together. I'm sorry, the pictures that it put together and videos that to make this this one. Alright, go.
If your savings account looks like a desert, you're in the right place. Time to make it rain. Saving and investing might sound tricky, but it's easier than you think. First, set a goal. Whether it's buying a new bike or saving for college, knowing what you're aiming for helps you stay focused. Next, create a budget. Write down what you earn and what you spend. This way, you can see where your money is going and find ways to save more. Now, let's talk about investing. Think of it like planting a tree. The earlier you start, the more time it has to grow. Start small with things like savings accounts and goals. As you get more comfortable, you can try stocks or real estate. Remember, the key is to be consistent. Even small amounts add up over time. And don't be afraid to ask for help. There are tons of resources out there, from books to online courses. So, set your goals, make a budget, and start investing. Your future self will thank you. Happy saving and investing, and...
Alright. I think it cut the ending. No. I think I cut the ending off a little too soon. Yeah, so if we wanted to, we could just go in there and edit stuff. Like, edit whatever we want to. Just curious. Curious if you can. Screen music. Yeah, the music was kind of whack. I don't know if I'd choose this music for real. Nah, it's a little too much. Nah. Nah. What? Nah. Jeez. Whatever. We're gonna do that. And what I would like to do, I know there's another way that I didn't do it in this video, but you can just straight up add your own voice if you don't like any of the voices that it comes up with. I know in Pictory it's really easy to choose different voices and just apply those to the video already, but I'm not sure if you can do that on here. Well, possibly. No. No. I don't want to go too much into it.
Savings account looks like a desert. You're in the right place. Time to make it rain.
I mean, the voice isn't bad.
Investing might sound tricky, but it's easier than you think. First, set a goal. Whether it's buying a new bike or saving for college, knowing what you're aiming for.
But anyways, y'all get the picture. This video is very much like real straight up standard, kind of, just, it kind of gives people the gist, you know what I mean, about investing and all that stuff. But if you, if you posted like 2 to 3 videos a day on a channel solely focused on investing, and then you just get like an offer, in the previous videos that I've made, probably 2 or 3 ago, you can go and you can see how you can apply this to just combine this, basically this idea, this whole thing with the videos, and then just to add an offer. You could do your own offer if you were actually like, you know, in teaching people how to invest or how to, you know, get into the stock market, out of the stock market, etc., crypto even. So, or you can just put like do an affiliate program and just go to any affiliate site and copy a program for someone else, and then just sell it on your page and get a commission off of that. But of course, like especially like TikTok, the more you can't really, it's kind of unpredictable. So the more you post, the better. And also, like, you know, it's kind of wild. Like, I know a girl that recently just kind of blew up on TikTok, because not even blew up, but she definitely has a recent post that like definitely did much better, and it's because she mentioned something about a very touchy subject. stand out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just kind of wanted to do a quick Invideo tutorial again, just to kind of run through it. We're gonna do one more. I think I'm gonna do another one, and this time I'm gonna just get into it in the settings more and go through what you can do.